capabilities like the triple hook and the slung and the vastly superior power-to-weight ratio. It can be used for any tactical airlift, underslung operations involving artillery guns, huge 20-feet containers, dozers or recovery aircrafts. The 115 helicopter unit flies the ALH Mark III helicopter indigenously built and manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the sky, spot the shimmering fireflies. The formation today is being led by Wing Commander Puneet Miskin with Flight Lieutenant Shashank Kumar and Sergeant Kiran. Towards his right is Wing Commander Manish Sharma with Wing Commander Jambat Yadav and Sergeant Neeraj. Towards his left is Commodore Adarsh Thakur with Wing Commander Ranjit Desai and Sergeant Pankaj. Flying in the group formation.
Change information from inverted wine glass to the English letter I in the sky. And now this I stands for you, me, our motherland and for these indigenously developed helicopters. Coming in from your right, Sarans representing the Ankh-e-Durga of our nation.
पतंगों में भिड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पल खाती रेलों में.
Continuing with the introduction, the pilot in command